time now, but you haven't
Okay, we are good to go. So did anybody have any questions for the last part 2? I'm trying to look through to remember what that was about.
It was an
I think I actually had a
8-sided
question
dice.
about it.
Yeah, it was an 8-sided die.
And then figuring out the probability.
Yeah. Calculate the probability of rolling numbers greater than 5. So it's 1 divided by 8 times 3, which should give you 3.75. 0.375, sorry.
I've got 3 divided by 8, or 0.375.
Yeah.
Was this number 5?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah, because it looked like 3/8 to me, like a ratio of 3 to 8, or 3 probability of 3 out of 8.
Yep, that's right.
That's what I got.
0.3. Okay. And then 6.
It's pretty much the same, greater than 5, so it's 5/8, which is 0. Sorry, not greater than thing, so it's 0.625.
Right.
Yep. 0.625. Yep.
Cool.
We're good to go.
Yeah. Yeah. It wasn't fun reading, but when she got into the lesson and the videos, it got easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to do the group quiz meeting quiz.
Let's do it.
Yep,
Sounds good to me.
1 and 2 are givens.
Let's see here. Let me get over to it. Let's see. Seems to be taking my computer a bit of time. There we go. All right.
Sounds like you got an airplane in the background.
Who, me?
No, someone.
All right. So I guess I'll start. Let's see. It says, use the following information to answer the next 3 problems. Human blood can be classified into one of 4, excuse me. The split thing is supposed to be one of 4. Mine says one of ours. Does yours have a typo like that too?
No.
No. It says one of our basic types.
Oh, yes,
O, A,
correct.
B, and
Oh, yeah, yeah. 1 of our.
Yeah.
I guess I was assuming he was going to say 4. Anyways, the portion of people in the population of the United States with each of these blood types is summarized below in this table. It's kind of hard to read. So question 3, the blood types and the proportions given in the table above define a probability distribution.
It's true because the proportion's equal to 1.
Right.
Get it all up.
Let's see, so 0.45 plus 0.4 plus 0.1 plus equals 1. Correct. So we're all in agreement it is true.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wonderful. Let's see. Question 4. What's the probability that a randomly selected person in the U.S. has type O blood? Round to 2 decimal places.
0.45.
Yep.
Yep.
What I would put.
What I've got.
Blood.
0.45.
Huh? Sure am. Okay. .45. All right. Question 5. What's the probability then a randomly selected person will have type O blood.
Will not
Type O.
have type O.
Yeah.
So it's everything else.
Sorry.
Mike.
So 1 minus 0.45
Right.
would be 0.55, right?
Yep, correct.
Yep.
It always kind of annoys me how the quiz is only in the bottom, like the bottom section of my screen. I can't scroll up and see more of it, you know?
I hate that too, yeah.
Life is hard sometimes.
Who's going to do the next section?
I'll read the next one.
Okay, good.
All right. Carolyn Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs were trained to lie down next to a specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Tingle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient? So that would be
0.1428.
Yeah, it's 1 divided by 7.
yeah,
So 0.1.
How far are we supposed to go up to 4?
3 decimal.
No, 2. Oh, I thought it said 2.
3 decimal places. So
That's 3.
0.143.
Okay. Should be up to 3. So it should be 0.143.
0.143, right.
Okay.
We all agree on that one?
Yep.
All right.
Round
And
up 3 decimal places.
then question 7, in a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from the cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that the dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? This provides strong evidence that the dogs can detect bladder cancer. There is little evidence that the dogs can detect bladder cancer. But I would say that that provides strong evidence, right?
Yeah, I agree. Because it's more than the 1 in 7.
Huh.
So at 54, that's less than 50%.
Yeah, but there's 1 in 7. The chance if it's random is 1 in 7.
Yeah, they went from 14% to detecting it almost 50% of the time. So I would think that they must be able to detect it a little bit. Do we agree on that one?
Yeah.
Based off of probability or random.
Okay. Then who's going to do the next one?
I'll go ahead
I
and
can
do
do
that.
it.
Oh, go ahead.
Okay, so we're on question. There we go. So I was right. M&Ms are small chocolate candies. The M&Ms website previously indicated that in the United States, the distribution of colors in a bag of plain M&Ms is given in the following table, which we can all see there. Question 8. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red colored candy? Round to 2 decimals. So red is 0.13.
Yep.
Yep.
Everyone agree? Okay.
Yep.
Question 9. What is the probability that a randomly selected candy is green? Let me go back there. That's the one we have to work out. So I got 0.16.
Yeah, that's what I got. 0.16.
Everyone else happy?
Yeah. Hey, quick question.
Yep.
On the answers, you guys you have to put 0 point.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. You must do that because that's what caused me to get 2 out of 7 on my homework.
Oh, you have to put 0?
Oh, seriously?
What'd you say?
You have to
Yeah,
put
you
it.
have to do it 0 point.
Oh my goodness. I gotta go up and change everything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so the answer is 0.16.
Ah, that's why you
Zero.
kept saying that. I thought you were just being proper.
No. When I did the homework, I got 2 out of 7 because I put like 24% or 23.23%.
Oh no, we know we can't put a percent, but we can put a decimal as 0.55 instead of 0.55.
Oh, I don't know. I always put 0 point whatever. I suppose you can put point whatever.
Well, what we can do this time, just like last time, we can have one person submit it
Yeah.
and see what they, specify which way they did it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So question
I went ahead and
10.
did my first.
Question 10 is, what is the probability that a randomly selected candy is not green? Round to 2 decimal places. So I've got 0.84.
Yep.
Okay, who's doing the last 3?
Looks like me. Okay, the ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the Western United States were taken from capex.com. The following summary statistics were calculated. Okay. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number? 24.3.
Say it again.
Said half of the observations are less than or equal to what number?
I would think that'd be 24 because we would go by the median, not the mean, right?
No, the mean is
I thought it was the mean.
oh, that's right. So 24.
Yeah, I thought it was 24.3.
That's the mean, and the mean is the average, right? That's the
Mean is the average, right? But it's not the
that's
middle.
the middle.
It's
Yeah,
not
it
the
is.
middle.
Oh. Half of the observations are less. See, that's where I get messed up. Mean and median. The observations are less than or equal to what number? It doesn't say what percentage. So average.
Go back to my notes from last week. Is that lesson 3, hey? Yeah. So the question.
Well, no, you're looking at the observations, not what the results are, not the middle of the results. Well, it's intermediate. The observations are less than or equal to what number?
So if you think about what's that other funny graph called?
The bell curve or
The box plot.
Mhm.
Isn't the middle line there is the median, isn't it? Not the mean. I mean,
Yeah.
it's the mean, not the median.
No, on a box plot, the middle line is the median.
Okay.
Yeah, because you've got the minimum. The 5 things are the minimum, quarter 1, median, quarter 3, and maximum. So those are your 5 things. But does that necessarily mean that half of the observations? Or is that just the way they put it out?
Yeah, it's kind of interesting.
Okay, it has to be the median because the median says it takes the 2 middle numbers or the middle number, and then obviously if it's an even one, it takes the 2 middle numbers, adds them together, and then divides. So it'll be less than that. Yeah, so it has to be the median.
Median? 24.
Yeah.
Cool. That's what I got.
24. Yeah, I confused everyone there. Yeah.
Okay, so question 12. Based on the information on the table above, the top 25% of the students scored above what number?
I scored
25.
Well, that would be from
So Q3.
Q3 and up, right? So that's 27.
Yep. I agree with that. Which of the following statements is not one of the three rules of probability? The probability that an outcome will not occur is 1 minus the probability that it will occur. Probability is a number between 0 and 1. Let me see my notes. Rule 1 is the second one.
If the probability is high, then the probability is positive.
All
Yeah,
probabilities are positive. There's never a negative probability.
The third one's. Yeah, so the third one. Okay, so we just run through those answers again.
Sure.
Okay, so it's true, true. And then third one is true as well,
Right.
right?
Yep.
The fourth one, 0.45.
Correct?
Right.
The fifth one, 0.55.
Right.
Number 6, 0.143.
Yes.
Number 7 is the first one. This provides strong evidence.
Yes.
Number 8 is 0.13.
Yes.
Number 9 is 0.16.
Right.
Number 10 is 0.84.
Right.
Number 11 is 24.
Yep.
Number 12 is 27. And number 13 is the third one.
Third one, if the probability is high.
Yeah. Yeah.
All
I'll
right,
go for the submit.
You gonna submit?
Yeah, I'll do it. If my computer would stop hanging, submit. There you go. You are about to submit. Yes, submit. 100%.
Good deal.
All right. Cool. And I'm going to change one of my answers and take the 0 off just to see what happens. All right.
What's the probability? Well, while Brandon's doing that, did anyone attend the lecturer's session
I did.
today? Was it worth it watching it or not?
100%. The lecture didn't make any sense to me.
I think you said 100% that it was great.
A lot of it was
Did you
on
talk
the
really
we
fast?
haven't done yet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Maybe it's
cool.
comparisons.
What time are we meeting Thursday night?
I'm free anytime. I prefer sometime around the same time because I'll need some time to actually finish looking over. I went over most of that chapter already, but I have to go back over it. I didn't quite grasp all of it.
Okay, I haven't done it, so
I haven't either.
I just want to check my calendar for Thursday. I don't have it open.
All right, that'll be 9:30 my time. That should work out your end.
All right. So same time Thursday then?
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Did you already stop recording?
No, I'll go ahead and stop it right now. Guess they don't need to hear all this.